The Desert View Tower. There's Judy picking his nose. Go, I'm taking a movie. They have the like Steve and Barbara, they have their little carts to drive over and play the shuffleboard tournament. And this is serious tournament, as you can see. Hi. Wow.
That was cute.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Our uniform.
Oh,
Yeah, sometimes they come and flying around.
oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
But then, they like color of the red and the purple.
Right.
Sometimes that visitors come with really.
White Sands. Except it feels like snow. It's like we got a big snowfall, except it's sand. And it's so fine, it feels like talcum powder.
Cornflake size pieces of selenite, feel free to pass that around, and in the very bottom of the jar, grains of gypsum sand. So the wind begins to move the shards and the cornflakes of selenite, tumbling them, they're colliding with each other. Say, we toiled across sterile plains where no tree offered its friendly shade, the sun glowing fiercely and the wind hot from the parched earth. As far as the eye can reach stretches one unbroken waste, barren, wild, and worthless. Well, I want to suggest that he didn't have it quite right.
No.
What we've got here may be a
Sunset from the top of a dune at White Sands. After a very nice ranger hike, an explanation of all the life.
These bigger dunes, particularly the ones in the back near the Alkali Trail, you get 6 to 8.
So this is the famous bridge where the bats come out of. You notice that the bridge was made, I don't think on purpose, with these caves. I think the bats get fooled into thinking these are caves. So this is Corpus Christi, Port Aransas.
Like our ocean.
Except that it should be warmer, but we haven't felt the water yet. He's actually going in the water. This is the day after the big storm. We were rocked with wind all night long. Look at this. This is ice. Look at this. There's icicles. So we're leaving Galveston and we're on a ferry. And we've got the front view. So that's the port of Galveston. It's a beautiful boat over there. So here's Bourbon Street on Sunday morning, about 11 o'clock. That's San Luis. And this is Bourbon, famous Bourbon Street. That's downtown New Orleans, buildings up there. Well, that looks like an original Catholic church, the entrance, and now it's a park for art.
Wonder Mule. Andy the Wonder Mule. All right, Trevor. It's like a limo with a mule. It's fabulous. I wouldn't ask for anything more. All right, Andy, yeah. Let's go.
Andy is his name?
Yep. And yep. We got that. Hold that. So who's a true hero again? Remember I told you guys who I thought was a true hero? If you're threatened with your life, therefore who's a true hero? The Battle of New Orleans was fought 7 miles up the river in Chalmette, Louisiana. Nothing starts your day better than fried dough, sugar, and coffee.
All of the formations you'll see indicate are calcite based from the calcium.
So when you said it's growing, how fast does it grow?
This part of the cave is dormant, which means it's not dead, it's just not currently active. But in the active part of the cave, it's growing about an 1/8 inch every 50 to 60.
Unbelievable.
Now, you know, they're like little gopher looking things, but now they're like, then they said they were at least that big.
Like raccoons.
Like they were huge. Yeah. That big. Prairie dogs. Oh, you weren't here for that part, I'm sorry.
Looks like a palm tree.
Oh yeah, it does. Never noticed that. Careful on your foot, please. As you look up, not while walking. This.
This is like that movie Frozen that just came out. All the ice.
Yeah.
Cool.
What a beautiful room here.
It is.
Look at these.
We have held a few weddings right here, and have had a lot of guys propose here as well.
Really?
I have one actually scheduled this week.
A wedding here?
No, a guy's gonna propose.
Oh, so he's.
He asked for a personal tour. It would just be us. There we go.
There you go.
Palace of Angels.
Oh, Look at that, even narrated.
Narrated.
There you go. Full service right here. Are you gonna propose? It's hard to get the whole thing unless you got that camera.
I'm just.
I'm gonna have to ask everyone to dip their phones, light, or cameras, anything that's gonna glow or might be glowing. You all ready?
Yeah.
Are you asking?
Yes. Of what y'all think it might be.
It's the fat from the bacon.
Yeah, that's the dream thing. It's in your Pepto. Milk and magnesia.
Is that right?
And it's not hard.
Nope. It's very paste or chalk-like. You have to do this. You just walked up and you've seen it.
But there's pictures of it with it.
Oh yeah, they're all over the place.
So we are in Texas, a couple of 100 miles from El Paso, and there's 23 degrees, and it's snowing. This is buckhorn or buckskin?
Buckskin.
Buckskin State Park. That's the Colorado River.
You see our arena down there.
California on the other side. And we're on the Arizona side. And we're camping in this gorgeous Arizona State Park. And we're hiking in our t-shirts. So we're at a scenic view trail from Buckskin State Park, Arizona State Park. That is the Colorado River, and on the other side are some RV parks in California, because this is the divider. You can see Serena down there. She's right there. It's still t-shirt weather. Look at Mom. Hello, Judy.
Hi there.
So this is a footbridge that they made to continue the hike on the other side. This is Highway 95. That's north, going to Lake Havasu. It's really beautiful. With all the mountains and the river. And all kinds of camping around.
Caves down there.
Around
the
the river.
openings in the side of the.
There's holes there on the side of that mountain. We think that might be people trying to get gold in here, because there are abandoned gold mines here.
There's a big one up there. Straight across.
Oh yeah.